A lot of times, innovation comes from a need to adapt. If a business model or a business is facing extinction, it's forced to try to reinvent itself and renew itself. And many times it's very hard for companies or executives to try to mandate from a top-down perspective that thou shalt be an innovative culture and put together an innovation team and, carve out time and resources to say, okay, go sit and be innovative. The alternative to that, what we see a lot of leading firms doing is really tackling problems and looking at the supply chain, looking at how they perform work in place, looking at how they navigate their own value chain in terms of what do they self-perform, what do they subcontract out, those sorts of things, and putting their biggest challenges and their owners' biggest challenges on the table and trying to get as many creative minds as they can to participate in finding solutions with some pretty heavy stakes. You've got a whole host of other players that are now taking aim at construction because it is the last industry vertical to really fall to disruption. And there are some very well-heeled organizations, private equity investors that are looking at construction as a significant opportunity. And so what that means is that I think the competitors that many of our clients will see over the next several years will look different than they have over the past 10 years. And they're not beholden to the old ways of doing things. They're not beholden to legacy practices. And so some of the traits I think are going to be important for businesses to succeed over the next 5 to 10 years is to really, sounds cliched, but really focus around strategic thinking, alternative approaches. Keep in the backs of your mind what it is that owners really value. It's not so much the process or the journey to get to the asset, it's to get the asset to generate whatever return, be it financial or otherwise, that asset is designed to produce.